The pyramid is a multiple wall. The number in each brick is the product of the numbers in the 2 bricks below it. 40. What is the value of A? To give the value of A, we need to work out the value of the other bricks first. So, for example, F must be 80. I know that 6 times 8 is 48, so 60 times 80 will give 4,800. That means the value of D must be 2, because of course 2 times 40 would give us 80. E therefore must be 30, because 2 times 30 would give 60. And this means we can say the value of C must be 5, because I know that 5 times 8 is 40. In the previous question we established B to have a value of 0.4. 0.4 multiplied by 5 would give 2. So what would I need to multiply 0.4 by to give 30? This will be the value of A. So we have the value of A, and if we multiply that by 0.4, then the answer we give is 30. Think about multiplying 0.4 by different numbers. First of all, if we said 10 times 0.4, then this of course would be 4. So that means 20 times 0.4 would be double that. That would be 8. 30 times 0.4 would be the result of 10 times 0.4 and 20 times 0.4, and this would give 12. So if I add together 30 and 20 groups of 0.4, then I would have 20. So in other words, I can say 50 times 0.4 gives 20. You can see that we're getting quite close to that target of 30. If I added a further 20 groups, so if I said 50 groups plus another 20 groups of 0.4, then this would be adding a further 8, and that would be 28. And now you can see I'm only 2 away from the target. So I have 50 groups of 0.4 and 20 groups of 0.4, so how do I make the remaining 2? Well, I know that 10 groups of 0.4 gives 4. So that means 5 groups of 0.4 would give me the remaining 2 that I need. In other words, 50 plus 20 plus 5, which gives 75, multiplied by 0.4 would give 30. The value of A then must be 75.